LangChain Community Vector Stores VDMS Client. A detailed description of the VDMS client, its architecture, role, advantages, and challenges in the context of LangChain. Detailed definition of the variable goes here. Components. Component 1. VDMS Client is a Python library that provides a simple interface for interacting with the vector database management system VDMS. This library acts as a bridge between LangChain and VDMS, allowing users to leverage the power of vector databases within their LangChain applications. Component 2. It leverages the power of LangChain to seamlessly integrate with VDMS, allowing users to perform various vector database operations. Users can perform tasks like indexing data, searching for similar vectors, and retrieving vector representations of text using the familiar LangChain interface. Description of the architecture supporting the variable. LangChain provides a high-level abstraction layer that simplifies interactions with VDMS, enabling efficient and flexible vector database operations. This abstraction layer makes interacting with VDMS easier and more intuitive, allowing developers to focus on building applications rather than dealing with the intricacies of the underlying database. Explanation of the variable's role in the system. VDMS Client plays a crucial role in providing a robust and user-friendly way to interact with VDMS from within LangChain. It acts as an intermediary, enabling LangChain to utilize the functionality and capabilities of VDMS for tasks like semantic search and vector retrieval. Facilitates seamless integration with LangChain for vector database operations. This seamless integration enables developers to effortlessly incorporate VDMS into their LangChain applications, leveraging its vector database capabilities with minimal effort. Simplifies interactions with VDMS, reducing complexity and development time. By providing a high-level API, VDMS Client abstracts away the complexities of interacting with VDMS, allowing developers to focus on building their application logic instead of dealing with low-level database details. For example, instead of writing complex queries to search for similar vectors, developers can simply call a function within VDMS Client to achieve the same result. The ongoing development of VDMS Client may lead to compatibility issues with older versions of LangChain or VDMS as both LangChain and VDMS evolve. Maintaining compatibility between these components is a challenge. Users may encounter issues when updating their libraries or need to ensure their application utilizes compatible versions. The library might lack specific functionalities or optimizations for niche use cases, while VDMS Client aims to provide a comprehensive interface for VDMS. Certain specialized use cases might require custom functionalities or optimizations.